You know what? I think we're done. That's how we end the show.
Late.
I'll end it with one more phone call. Hi, you're the last phone call from the compound here. What up?
I'm the last one. Well, I was one of the first ones. Dave from Minnesota calling again. What's up, man?
You guys are really bored. Hold on 2 seconds. I hung up. Hi, live from the compound. Who's this?
Hey, it's Tom.
Hey, how you doing, man?
What's going on, man?
Hanging.
Listen, I'm a screenwriter, and I want to write an Opie and Anthony movie.
All right, give me a little pitch real quick.
All right, well, real quick, begin with what you guys are talking about tonight. You guys have so many great stories from your history.
Yeah.
I think that if the Howard Stern movie sucked, I think that your guys' movie could be amazing.
Tell you the truth, I don't think you could say that. Like, you know, you can say what you want about Howard, but that fucking movie was funny as fuck.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, it was, yeah.
That was a funny
great
goddamn movie, man.
There's so much more that's gone on in your guys' history between, like, you know, Opie and his upbringing and you know, working in the,
Yeah.
you know, HD industry and how far you guys have come.
Yeah. No, I got you. Believe me, I think the book comes first and then the movie. And I think you know the final chapter is yet to be written, sir.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yet to be written. Thanks, man. We have ideas. I got a lot of shit on various burners that I want to do. By the way, stay tuned because me and this.